Well, I guess it really started to sink in when I began reviewing the footage over the past few months. Looking back at the places we've explored, places we would have never even thought of if it wasn't for this channel, it feels like we truly started something special here on Garage Crawlers. And today, as we paddle through yet another adventure, it's just another day in this incredible journey.
All right, getting ready for a nice little kayak, bright and early.
Let's do it, Ellie.
Let's do it.
We're starting our journey just west of Highway 25 on the Rivière des Prairies in Montreal, Quebec. With about 18 kilometers to paddle until we reach our destination, we have a few hours of paddling into the sunrise to keep us motivated.
Let's stop and stare for a minute, 'cause there is divinity there where the sinners breathe. They work their jaws, raise the hands of beyond for the physical limited destiny. Spirits free. The sun, the light, the truth is within. We call upon the prince, the spirits free. The stars, the moon, the ocean, wind submerge my face. I bleed to bliss, I'm free from pain. On my left I find I run, I hurt, all the sickness inside each breath. Desires, 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 desires. No sunlight's off, I'm annoyed, I'm trying to focus, I'm fighting the moment to quiet the noise. I'm paid to record, not to live by the money, I'm the vantage point. Message from the highest, now it's coming up my run. Let it rain down on my body, watch it blossom in a month. We did the label for nobody, now it's time to bear the fruits of the art of our souls. Let the truth once again. I'm so ready, I'm so ready, I'm so ready. I'm so ready, I'm so ready, let's go. I stand here red-handed with the evidence of symbolism, expressionism of infinite. I'm tempted to experience the visions of the limitless. I animate this body to its destined end. All my life I find there's always so much more just beyond the form. You feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it for once at last.
With a good portion of the trip behind us, we decided to stop for a quick bite to eat. And as usual, we had some of the locals stopping by to remind us that there's a toll to be paid for passage on the archipelago. After our meals, we paddled towards the islands on the eastern tip of Montreal, where they've recently been opened to the public. As the journey continued, we quickly forgot how close we actually were to a city, as we were treated to some of the most spectacular views. As is the case with all great journeys, it was time to head back. And as we power through the final leg of our trip, let's take one last peek at some of the amazing spots we've explored today. Thanks for joining us on what has been a fantastic experience. We hope that you've enjoyed this video along with everything else that this channel has to offer. Until next time, may your garage remain cluttered with the things that make your adventures a reality. Keep exploring.